Good morning, everyone. My name is Emmanuel, second BTech, second semester. Subject operating systems, topic access methods, course code 23 CSU 402, section A. Topic topic access methods. Introduction. In operating system, access methods in operating system refers to the technique used to retrieve, store and manage the data in storage devices. Different methods are used depending on the type of storage devices and the organization of data. Here are the main access methods. First one, sequential access. Data is accessed in a linear order, one record after another, used in magnetic tapes and log files. Example, sequential access, reading a text file from start to finish. Second one, direct access, direct random access. In any data blocks can be caused directly without reading previous blocks, used in hard drives, SSDs and RAMs. Example of direct access, jumping to a specific sector in a disk to read a file. Indexed access, third one, uses an index table to locate blocks quickly, faster than sequential access, but requires extra storage from the index. Example of indexed access, database indexing to speed up queries. Fourth one, hashed access, use a uses hash functions to compute the location of a data. Communication in databases and every values storage systems. Example of hashed access, storing user record based on unique ID. Fifth one, content based accesses, data is retrieved based on its content rather than its location. Used search engines and data retrieval systems. Example of content based access, searching a document for a specific keywords. Searching a document for a specific keywords. Each method is optimized for different use cases based on speed, storage, medium, and data organization. Let me know if you need more details for one of this. Sixth one, direct memory access, allows hardware component like disk controls to transfer data from memory without CPU intervention, improves system performance by the freeing up the CPU. Example of direct memory access, high speed data transfer between RAM and a network adapter. Example of direct memory access, high speed data transfer between RAM and a network adapter. Seventh one, virtual memory access, uses secondary storage like a hard drive as extension of RAM. Data is swapped between RAM and disk when needed. Example of virtual memory access. Example, paging and segmentation in modern OS memory management. Virtual memory access uses secondary storage like hard drives as an extension of RAM. Data is swapped between RAM and disk when needed. Example paging and segmentation in modern OS memory management. With one file access methods, different file systems use various access techniques, continuous allocation, linked allocation, index allocation are the file access methods. Continuous allocation file are stored in consecutive blocks fast but may cause fragmentation. Linked allocation each file is linked list of blocks scattered on the disk. Index allocation an index stores blocks addresses buffered access. Data is temporarily stored in a buffer before beginning processed. Reduce the number of direct disk access and improve performance. Example of buffered access file buffering when streaming videos. Buffered access data is temporarily stored in buffer before buffer beginning processed data is temporarily stored. Reduce the number of direct disk access and improve performance. Example of buffered access file buffering when I stream videos. Network based access. Cache based access frequently accessed data is stored in high speed cache, reduces latency for repeated requests. Example CPU caching frequently used instructions and data. Cache based access in access method frequently accessed data is stored in a high speed cache, reduces latency for repeated requests. Examples CPU caching frequently used instructions and a data. Example of cache based access CPU caching frequently used instructions and data. This is cache method, cache based access. CPU caching frequently used instructions of data. Conclusion of access methods in operating system determine how data is stored and retrieved efficiently. Mainly ASCII methods are used in operating system. Access methods in operating system mainly used how the data is stored and retrieved efficiently. Different methods like sequential, direct, indexed, and cache-based cached access optimize performance based on storage types and applications need. In different methods, as memo, as she methods, access method, frequent, sequential, direct, index, command, cached access, optimize performance based on storage. These types and applications are needed. Choosing the right method improves system speed, resources, utilization and overall efficiencies. This is conclusion of this is conclusion of access method. Thank you.